Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to fix Steam download speed drops to zero issue. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're having issues with Steam with downloading games, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, sometimes the problem itself may be your device or your internet or your modem. So in this case, I would highly recommend you to first restart your PC as well as your modem or your internet so that we are starting from a fresh connection here. By the way, when you restart your internet, just make sure that you wait for about like a whole 12 seconds before restarting or before turning it on again. But once you have that connected and you're ready to start fixing this, well, the next thing that you want to do is you want to access these Steam settings. So you want to open up Steam here, and inside Steam at the top left, you want to go and click on Steam, and you want to go and click on settings. Inside settings, you want to go to the downloads section, and inside downloads, you want to look for download region, which is the first option that you should be seeing. Now, in here, you want to make sure that you are selecting the correct location. So where you are is located. So for example, if you're from Portugal, just make sure you choose Portugal here, or any of the places that you are nearest in that area. Now, this one is really important. This will affect your download speed. So that's why choosing the correct one or is the nearest one on your area is going to help you a lot. Now, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to also check your network connection. So in this case, you want to go to your search bar here. Just type in network connections or view network connections. And in here, you want to look for your interconnection. Now, if you're using your Wi-Fi, you want to look for something like, let's just say, Wi-Fi connection or something like this. Or if you're using an Ethernet cable, you want to look for Ethernet cable or Ethernet 1 or something similar to that. So this is what I'm using. Let's go and right click on it, and you want to go and choose properties. Now from here, you want to go ahead and look for the option that says IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. So you can select this one and click on properties at the bottom section. Now once you've done this, you want to go and just switch over to use the following DNS server addresses and use the following. Now for the preferred DNS server, just type in 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS is going to be 8.8.4.4 and go and click on OK. Now, just to give you some idea, we are going to start using Google DNS, and sometimes changing your DNS here will help with your download speed. So once you've done this, next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just retry again inside Steam and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, you may need to check at the bottom right of your screen here and look for any VPN connections that may be or is currently turned on. Now, if you have any VPN files or VPN software turned on or connected, you may want to turn those off first and see if that actually helps. Because VPN typically basically slows down your interconnection, and turning them off can actually speed up your connection. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.